this trade, and it was just it was hard to reconcile. And I asked Dr. Jim, and he said, you know what, that's what kind of happens with defined strategies, just because you're paying so much to cover yourself. But I said, well, kind of that's the point, you know, like then what's the whole reason to define risk if you can't, you just might as well just buy the stock or short the stock. And it's kind of difficult to stay always defined. And you see all these people, you know, making so much from the premium on just, you know, shorting naked, and it's it's hard.
Yeah, your probability of profit goes up by being naked. You're giving away a portion of your pop by defining those risks. I guess if anything, or you're still getting positive theta decay, even though it's a 50-50 shot there on an iron condor. One of the things that Mike and I have experimented with is we've created some snapshots of our portfolio. So we're using the API of Tost. So we can take a snapshot, so we can kind of look back, like kind of what Mr. Yelp was talking about. You can take a snapshot, and then you can. Oh, so Yope. Sorry.
Yope. Rhymes with hope.
Rhymes with hope. And so it kind of enables you to remember kind of these drawdowns and times and what was happening and what VIX was. And so it's kind of a trading journal on steroids for learning purposes.
John, what do you, John Yope, what do you think of, so I'd like your opinion on this, actually. I'm trying to figure out, basically, that I feel like I've been negative Vega, basically, most of my trading career. And I'm changing that, actually, due to what we just talked about, what you talked about the, you know, the sudden increase in volatility, I think, is the one thing that nobody ever prepares for, and nobody ever, you know, gets out of, you know, without getting very hurt. So, like, I'm thinking positive theta always, positive Vega, and delta neutral. So what are your thoughts on that? Because obviously Vega negative is, you know, you sell strangles and you're negative Vega and you're exposed to increases in volatility. Your positive Vega, you know, increase in volatility helps you.
I don't have